Madi. So guys, boy, love. Kukutonora mana. Chano chacho mawani chitungisa una mawani yacho. So, what is it? In fact, could you make sense? Man, more than a video to me. I don't go to school or go YouTube, go TikTok, whatever social media platform and go you scroll. Ona comes a video day so this is the video. Yeah. Kautengi teka mwana karutungo tsaula zvakarutara kaminjeni sort of like mezi utungo tara zvarutaura pepe apana yakanyanya and ndisinokudzai would you know that this video is AI created, AI generated? Most of you would be saying no. So in this video I'm just going to talk about how AI works, how it's being implemented, the dangers, the disadvantages, the advantages of technology. So just from that video, if you ran into that video, you'll probably be thinking that's just a human reviewer who review a phone but it muted out a personal sound. And that's the scary part. What's even real? Amazing. So, from Galaxy AI to Apple Intelligence, AI is being pushed to work seamlessly into our lives. And behind the scenes, Elon Musk is secretly working on a technology that could integrate our brains with the technology around us through my brain chips and stuff like that. That deserves a video on its own. So let me know what the video irakadaro pamberi. So in this video I'll be explaining what AI is exactly, how it works, how it's being implemented in industries like CNA, and how it's going to affect the future true. So firstly, the core foundations of AI are based on computers, machine learning, system algorithms, to recognize patterns, to recognize similarities between this and that. So it is made to try and copy human intelligence, but at the core level, it's just artificial. Hence the word artificial intelligence, because it's made by humans to copy how we think and how we try to solve a problem, but just at a fast-paced level, about 1,000 times faster than humans. So to add the basic core of AI is machine learning. So this AI is based currently on pattern prediction and from recognize my data says so from my database from the internet, it go feed information through machine learning. You recognize there's a relationship because between these two things. So if you pull up your phone right now, when I go Google Lens and point at something, what's meaning is Google Lens is just sourcing from images. I can't born I recognize I don't find it in Jojo, my cheat and so just based on my patterns, recognize that in Chafan age and Chafan age amazing. Just that as simple as that. So next time, my neural networks. So my neural networks as they sound based on our brains actually work. AI is, I think it's the most powerful AI there is, because it is actually made to mimic how we think, how our neurons fire. So this allows it to know the difference between important and important. There is a bit of reasoning because so if you pull up Google Lens when I we'll say pick a fish and something like that. To go to box a microphone. Because in my picture I wonder my box and the microphone actually. Google inenge ziya kuti ayo aifanira kupa bhokisi rakabatwa nevanhu nezvigunwe zvevanhu maiziya. So inoziva kuti zvigunwe tofanira kuzvibvisa because hazvina basa izvozvo. So painformation yakadai so Google inenge ichingoziva kuti uyo uringoda box chete inoti zvigunwe zvevanhu. So maneural networks ndo anobatsira kuti izive kuti this is important, this is not important. So on the core value of AI the base yakadai so yemaneural networks iri very important because paprogramming kana uchiprograma AI this actually helps kuti isarasike maiziya, because you might type a basic prompt kana uchiprograma AI kungoti toda kugadzira AI inobatsira kuti tibattle climate change. So because ukadaro there are a lot of loopholes AI inokwanisa kushandisa kuti ikaonenge mahumans ari kuconflict neprompt yakadaro inokwanisa kutona mahumans tiri dangerous and stuff. So this neural networks anobatsira kuti izive kuti this is important and this is not important. So the data internet is always expanding and this neural networks anobatsira singaite kuziva kuti ayo izvi hazvina basa izvi ndozvine basa. So the next value AI is based on my large language models, but this is called natural language processing. So if you ever search something and you want to know in fact tombota usina zoziva nezvechinhu chatoseja wongo type in human language zvakuedza kuseja maiziya tombotodobika keke rakadai enda wangoriona kumegona usonasa zoti maflavors achakamira sei. You can just type in kuti bake cakes in a simple way for a beginner with flavors that implement zvinhu zvakadai. Google inotozotoura zvinhu zvakaita sei. So based on zvinhu zvakadai so this type is actually ndoinonyoshanda search engine yakaita sena Google yayo, because you don't have to know exactly what you are searching for. AI can just go into the internet and source up zvinhu zvanenge chifunga kuti uri kutsvaga. So you don't have to know the exact things makeywords ekutypa kana uchitsvaga zvinhu zvakutsvaga paGoogle. So large language models andanonyoshandisa neAI atonyoshandisa isusu ana ChatGPT ana Meta AI, because ChatGPT is integrated through ka search box kake ukasearcha chinhu inongoresponda in human language in human tone zvoti zvinhu zvingofila simple maizi. So this just makes magetsi aware man maiziya kuchitumisa angaitoita magetsi adzoka bo. So for searching something that you don't know exactly mawords ekutypa, this actually helps a lot. It just makes it easier maiziya. So the advantages of technology yakadai so maadvantages ashaikwa mana maiziya hapana. AI is actually helping a lot in the health industry. For me, for this research video, I actually found out kuti mazuvaano you can be actually diagnosed with cancer about 5 years my symptoms achasera tombobata, because AI is inenge ichifeedwa madata through previous checkups ako ekwadoctor ichiona kuti mapatterns akadai so ndariko anokwanisa kuzolead into cancer in the future. So you can actually diagnose my diseases before my symptoms atangobata. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. Amazing. So this allows technology so it just allows us to have more free time, amazing. More free time to do things that just allow us to be happy amazing, because we are not tied to that 9 to 5 job which every day chichi. AI is helping to speed up that process. Yongoti unogona basa from home, work from home, kind of kushanda remotely uri kumba kwako maiziya, which is actually an advantage. You have more free time near my loved ones and stuff like that. So it actually reduces redundancy, because obviously some humans kuita basa every day for in fact in most jobs that we can't do tiska to enjoy amazing, but current for me I now enjoy what I'm doing. So hit that like button and support the channel and subscribe. So it actually reduces redundancy, because repeating the same task over and over again actually creates monotony. Bore. But because AI is autonomous, it just means so you can just program AI, and because AI is just a program, it's just a code, you can copy that code and implement it, which is a lot faster and saves everyone a lot of time. So AI is speeding tasks kuma industries, health, transport, government policies, kupredicta kuti munhu imbavha here kana kuti hasimbavha just from history yake yaringa zvinhu zvaringa achisearcha kugoogle stuff like that, nehistory dzake dzaringa achiita maizi. So AI, advantages AI are pretty straightforward. It never gets tired. Haidi raise, haidi pay, haidi kukwinzirwa salary and stuff like that. Haite hope chichi. And because like I said, it saves time. You don't have to spend 15 years of kuchikoro, you don't have to spend 5 years jinzira basa or course and stuff like that. It's just eases the workflow amazing. So in our daily lives, in our phones, actually AI actually helps our phones be more intelligent and aware of sensory and how we use our phones. So if I don't know if this is open to other phones, but if you have a Samsung phone, ukaisa pacharger kana uri munhu anoisa phone pacharger manheru charger overnight, ukaisa phone pacharger inoziva mapatterns paunorara nepaunomuka, kuti izoti ukarara unomuka kana 6, so kana uchimuka na 6 pepe inocharge kusvika 80 kana zvekusvika kuma 4, kana uzoti wandomuka 1 hour before if yatanga kucharge futi kuti izare 200. So this actually helps a lot. Kana ku keyboard ndinoona kana uchitaipa masuggested words aringachibuda that's AI inenge ichirecognize mapatterns ako ekutaipa kuti ikaziva kuti uda kuti bow here, ukati bow inofaita soti uda kuti here maise. So that's actually a step up by improving our lives maise. So for people my age, you know what I'm talking about. But how many times have you used ChatGPT, Meta AI to just search up a random question to empower the knowledge? And this actually helps a lot because it's making the access to information a lot easier, because you can just type out a few things and there, as long as you own a WhatsApp bundle, you have access to Meta AI. So there's powerful technology in the palm of our hands, and I hope that you take advantage of those things. So technology so obviously has a lot of disadvantages, and so I think AI is not actually the problem, but how my companies they are not being regulated and they are working behind closed doors which improve so for the general public deep fakes, voice cloning, plagiarism, music, copyright infringement. Because if you see my picture creating AI is like Sora, my video generator, what's happening is it you can go into Meta AI kana ChatGPT and ask for a photorealistic picture in the style of kana famous painting Monet, in the style of Monet. So what's happening is if I was an artist, I wouldn't want so in my work, because you can actually use AI kuti waimba kwanyura malyrics esunga kwete ndoda voice kana Justin Bieber, and I also want to have consented Justin Bieber because it's just scraping process yese kuti speed run kuti ngwane zvakuda iwe. And at the first of it, it's an advantage, but I think so needs consent, because permission. So these are things you look out for, even on Instagram, on Facebook. Panama ads akawanda ari ari very fake kuti tisingazivi kuti ari fake kuti ari real just because imi musingazivo. So I think companies, there should be regulations anocontrola macompanies kuti ave transparent kuti ari kushandisa AI pazvinhu zvakadai dai cause kuchina chaiko chaiko macompanies ari kuchina ari kuona vanhu vachishandisa AI kupredicta kuti munhu akadai sanogona kupara mhosva just based nemafambiro ari kuita zvinhu zvaari kubata mashops ari kupinda and zvinhu zvazvaisatozikanwa because people vanenge vasikuti muzvati ndozviri kuitika without their consent. And in the literal sense hapasina privacy just because Google actually uses a lot of information kutargeta ma-ads towards you. So ukaenda kunana Instagram kakuya Google chaiko chaiko ukasecha chinhu, have you ever noticed kuti ukasecha chinhu mazuva ano inotanga yakubudisa ka-AI overview kare in my sense kare very useless kana kasara mukashandisa and ukadzika you are seeing my ads are retargeted based on previous searches and you may say this is very convenient, but for me I don't like that. Google ndombofara kuti zvinhu zvakawanda nezvangu that much, and my VPN I've actually struggled to find VPN inoshanda muZimbabwe, so please hit me up kana uchiziva VPN inoshanda, mask identity yako kuti Google isazoti ndiwane and stuff like that. So because my companies are working behind closed doors, it's very hard to regulate them. And my second reality chirikuita ngechekuti ma-deep fakes. So these are images or videos that are generated from other people. So you can just feed the AI a picture of someone, and from that simple picture it can generate a video of that person in any scenario. So there were videos of Barack Obama and Trump that were surfacing online, vachitawa dance and stuff like that, and zvakadaro can cause wars in the wrong hands, because you can make the president of the United States vachitaura zvinhu serious about another country, which can actually spark wars in minutes, and it can cause it can actually cause international instability in the economy and destabilize the whole economy just from very simple. So I think governments should be regulated and be transparent pazvinhu zvakadai, so kuti kana vachishandisa AI vave transparent kuti ndozvatiri kuita. And I think that this deserves another video. I think you should know kuti how AI is being implemented to my apps and toshandisa makozi ama-algorithms, and I think I'm going to explain that in a future video. So that's coming up in a future video. So I hope this video was useful, and I try to be optimistic about zvakanai. So I noticed it on iRobot, and we saw that huge yakazoitika AI, but I think we are very far from that. And if the rate we improve AI, you might say with and stuff like that, but I think we are going to find a way just to regulate zvakanai. So, and I'm very optimistic as always. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my Pusha channel. So nice Bob. And yes, taka upgrade. This is a USB microphone that I bought for $40. It is actually in fact $45. So the content will be improving. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.